Hi, this tutorial aims to help you to solve 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problems using a method called the box method. The first thing you need to do using the box method in order to solve a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem is draw yourself a box. There we go, box drawn. Next thing you need to do is establish which of these numbers is the 2-digit and which of these numbers is the 1-digit. That's easy because the 1-digit number only has one number in it, one digit in it. So, first of all, you need to take your 1-digit number and place it, write it on this side of the box. 5 times, or 5 multiplied by. Next thing we need to do is break up or split up our 2-digit number into 2 separate digits. So here we've got the tens column and here we've got the units column, otherwise known as the ones column. In the ones column, this 4 is definitely a 4, but in this tens column, this 1 is not a 1. It looks like a 1, it's representing a 10. So this 1 here is actually a 10. Okay, we're going to assume that this whole box here, the area in this box, is 14. And we're going to break it up into 10 and 4. So I would say, just roughly, this much of the box is worth 10 now, and this much of the box is worth 4. So we're going to cross off our 10 and put 10 here. We'll cross off our 4 and put 4 there. So as you can see, our entire box worth 14 has been split into this much being worth 10 and this much being worth 4. Next thing we need to do is multiply this digit here by that one. Anything by 10, you just put a 0. You pretend it's 5 times 1 and you put a 0 on the end. So this becomes 50. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 5 times 4 is 20. Easy. Next thing we need to do is just do 50 plus 20. And that's really easy. 50 plus 20, as you know, is 70. As per usual, we always put the answer up next to the question, next to the equal sign, so that your teacher knows what your answer is. Okay, now you've had a look at this method, here are some practice questions which you may answer. I suggest you press pause now until you have answered all of them, because in a second I'm going to show you the answers. So press pause. Once you've finished, press play again and the answers will appear. Okay, here we go. I hope you got them all correct. If not, go back and see where your mistakes were, and if you think you haven't understood how to use the box method, you can replay this entire tutorial. Well done.